Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, yellow ochre color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T-W-O 2. Kids now you draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color. T-H-R-E 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use green color. S-E-V-E 7. Kids again use green color and draw. Sorry kids, mistake. Now draw 7 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use yellow ochre color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. T-E-N 10. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 11. The numbers of 11. Kids now draw 12. The numbers of 12 and use black color. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use blue color. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and use yellow color. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids now draw 20. The numbers of 20 and use green color. 21. The numbers of 21. Kids now draw 22. The numbers of 22 and use yellow ochre color. 23. The numbers of 23. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Kids, mistake 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.